Hello everybody. Today we are talking about Rio 1 and in the next video titled talking about Rio 2, in that video titled talking about Rio 2, in that video we will talk about Rio 2, but in this video we are talking about Rio 1. But first guys, it's quiz time. Let's do this. Quiz time. Let's do one quiz question. Number 1. Okay. So why didn't I make videos for 1.5 months? You have 10 seconds to guess. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think you have guessed. I have gone in my holidays for Rajasthan, So, I thought it would be like 9 or 10 days. But to my surprise, it is 1.5 month days at Rajasthan. Now let's talk about Rio. Story time. Okay, Rio we all know is a very good bird movie and it's for bird lovers. If you are a bird lover watching this video, watch a movie called Rio. It is full of birds and one dog is pretty friendly with birds. But sit back and relax with popcorn. Okay, let's start. Rio. Okay. There was a yellow bird singing peacefully on a branch. Forget about the mistakes that are in this video. Focus and concentrate in the video. And sit back and relax. Okay, it is going to be 1 hour, so it is going to be 11 parts for Rio 1 to complete. Okay, but first we have to finish all the thunderstorm parts and all the acid rain parts. That is coming up in the upcoming videos. So, let's talk about Rio 1, as we were saying. Okay, there was a beautiful yellow bird singing peacefully in the branch, and then it was going into the nearby bushes, and there was a log with tiny holes on the top, and the yellow bird go through it, and all the other yellow birds, all the yellow bird sized birds came out, and there were some parrots hiding like this, and when the yellow bird passed by them, they chirped like this, chirp, 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 and the crows got out of their nest. There was 3 crow nests, or I don't know how to pronounce them. Let's forget about the mistakes and let's concentrate in this video. It might be continuing in the other videos. Some mistakes might be in this video because it's the first time making the video in this time of the month. It is June. And then there were thousands of toucans coming from a little hole like haha, that's so funny. And then there were all the red macaws dancing like this, and then the spoonbills were like, and then there was the cranes that were they were so happy, and they were bakalaka 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 bakalaka. One red bird was saying like this, and all bird was saying tap 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 tap. 1 hour later, tap 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 tap. Okay, now let's continue. We are doing 10 sentences more because we can't do the full movie. But in the upcoming videos, we will do the full movie. But sit back and relax and have popcorn to watch with Learning with Darsh channel only for kids. That is this channel. And then there were the red macaws singing beautifully like this, and from up they were looking so beautiful. And the red macaws lead to one small baby Sphinx's macaw named Blue, and when he was sleeping cuddly and very comfortably, I don't know how to pronounce that, his tail was dancing like this, and then when he woke up and saw like this, and then he was waddling and saw all the beautiful birds singing. And I forgot the between words, but if I watch again, then I will remember and it will come in the upcoming videos. And this is called a banyan. It's also called the under t-shirt, I guess. I think it's called under t-shirt. It's nothing. Only in English it's banyan as well. And then the Blue was opening his wings to fly, and then the birds were trapped in the cage, and Blue fell down with the birds, and he was saved by a bunch of leaves below him. And then he was saying cute, cute, cute because he was pretty confused. And then one cage fall on him, and one person give money, and the other person had the money, and they drove with the aeroplane to America, Brazil to America. And then they were loaded with a truck, and the truck driver was like this with the music. He was so confused with the music, he didn't know he was driving. He was so confused that there was a sparrow who was sitting near the light, and when the red light came here, when it was green light here, then the red light came here, then she was warming up here, and then that driver with the truck came, and he was saying ah, and the sparrow was saying ah, and flew away, and the truck key opened, and then there was a box dropped, and the truck go that way, and then there was little baby Blue inside, was shivering, and he was like this, and then he was pretty cute until that girl came and chose to adopt Blue. And after some time, that girl grew up into a lady because she was grown up. And then Blue and that girl's name was Linda were best friends until that guy named Tulio came, and he said Blue is the last male of his kind, and they go in an aeroplane. They arrived to Brazil, Blue's actual home again. Then there was Carnival. In, I think, Brazil language for carnival, it's Carnaval. Carnival for carnival. Remember that. Carnival in English, carnaval in Brazilian language. I mean. Then after all that boring stuff, they go to Joel, and then Joel was standing on Blue's throat, and then we will continue after some days. I'm just kidding, guys. Haha, I think I got you. And then they were saying etupatupatete, and then Blue was saying chikre. What's the meaning of that? And then he was saying, you're standing on my throat. Like, and then she said, oh, you're American. Then she said, then let's say 2 more lines. Then Blue said, hi, my name is Blue. I like the cheese mold on it. Stupid. And she said, it's no time to waste. Let's go. And that's the end of this video talking about Rio 1. And in the upcoming videos, we will talk about other things in Rio 1 and Rio 2. And we will talk after all the acid rain parts and all the thunderstorm parts. And here is Snowy. Snowy is with me. I mean. Hi Snowy, you are looking good today. Yeah, I know. And Darsh, you are also looking good today. Yeah, thanks Snowy. Do I look handsome? Yeah, you definitely do. And I have strong muscles. Oh, guys, Snowy have strong wings, like she can punch the camera. He can punch the camera like this. Okay, I guess that's enough, Snowy. Don't knock off the camera. Okay, there. Anyways, I'll knock off your bottle. Okay, I think you can do that. Okay, and karate smash. Oh, that was awesome. Cool. Everybody clap for Snowy, the excellent and strong owl. He is very strong. Did you see him launching that bottle like a rocket? Let's see it in slow motion. Correct. Wow. Guys, did you see that in slow motion? It was so awesome. Okay, now I'm going to knock off Darsh, I guess. Hey, you're not too strong, right? Right? Yeah, I am, because I practice. Well, show me, Snowy. I didn't know you get that strong. Bam! Oh, you were correct. You knocked off the whole camera. I think you made an earthquake. A tiny earthquake. Wow, you're super strong, Snowy. You can see the muscles. Oh my god. Okay, Snowy, now you can go back to your house, right? Yeah, I will. And I'll eat my lunch because I already ate my breakfast at the morning. And now I'll eat my lunch. Okay, Snowy. Come back to visit me later. Okay, Dorsh. I will definitely will. And I will help you anytime you need me, okay? Need me, I mean. Okay? Okay. Okay, now bye. Bye. Oh, he is super fast as well. He's like a bullet train going like boom. Like boom. Did you see him going? Let me show you in slow motion. Oh, okay. Now Snowy is back. Why didn't you go back to your house, Snowy? I'm just going to show you guys again. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, you're super fast as well. Yeah, see you later. Vroom. Oh man, look at him. He's right there. Right near the AC, that's right there. Wait, let me help you. Noe, do you need any help? Yeah, there's. Okay, I'll just leave you then. Wait, guys, I'm coming. 1 hour later. Okay, now I have leave there. Okay, now time to end the video. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit the bell icon. Now bye, and have nice summer holidays.